Glaucoma. Introduction. When you look at something, the view is captured by the eyes and communicated to the brain by a nerve that starts at the back of the eye, called the optic nerve. Glaucoma is an eye disease in which the optic nerve is damaged, causing decreased vision. Normally, a fluid is present in the front part of the eye. This fluid is consistently produced and removed, so that the pressure inside the eye, called the intraocular pressure, that is, IOP, is maintained at a normal level. When the removal of the fluid becomes slow, it accumulates, and pressure inside the eye increases. This increased pressure compresses the optic nerve and it suffers an irreparable damage in parts. Slowly the vision start decrease, and the patient does not realize it in early stage. The expanse of one's view, called the field of vision, gradually narrows from all around, so that the outer view gets blurred or darkened. This feels like looking through a tunnel, that is, tunnel vision. Gradually, all vision is lost, and this vision cannot be regained. As this happens slowly, and as the central vision remains good, until the advanced stage of the disease, the patient fails to notice the changes, and does not realize the necessity to consult an eye doctor. Thus, even if a person has glaucoma, he or she may not have any symptoms. However, sometimes symptoms like eye pain, headache, and decreased night vision may be present. Detection. Because of its silent nature, most cases of glaucoma are detected during routine checkups, often in for some other eye problem. Hence, regular routine checkup is important, especially for those people who are at more risk of getting glaucoma. Anyone with the following criteria can be considered at risk. Aged more than 40. Have a family member with glaucoma. Hypertensive. Diabetic. Use of high plus or minus powered spectacles. Use of steroid medications, either drops, creams or tablets for many weeks. Any injury to the eye. Treatment. The aim of treatment is to lower the intraocular pressure, IOP, to a personal safe level at which it stops damaging the optic nerve. The most common initial treatment is eye drops. After sorting the drops prescribed by your doctor, make regular follow-up visits as advised. If any further damage is detected, then IOP needs to be lowered further. The doctor may change the eye drops, add another eye drops, or advise laser or surgery. For some patients, laser or surgery may be the initial treatment, and some patients may have to use the eye drops after the surgery also. Correct method of self-installation of eye drops. Wash hands, remove the cap of the eye drops bottle, and place the cap on a clean surface. Tilt the head backwards, with one hand, pull the lower lid down to create a pocket. Hold the eye drops bottle over the eye without its tip touching the eye. Squeeze the bottle until a drop falls into the pocket created. Gently close the eye. Wipe out the eye drop if it has fallen around the eye, or on the cheek. You may experience redness, discomfort or other side effects due to the eye drops, but they are usually temporary. Do not stop the eye drops on your own. The side effects of the eye drops are worth tolerating, when the medicine is saving your vision. Awareness message, ending. Glaucoma cannot be cured, but if is detected early, and the treatment advice is followed correctly, its advancement can be prevented and the remaining vision can be preserved.